everyone, it's now Sunday. It's been quite a productive weekend. We have been quite busy, so yesterday we did end up going to the Harry Potter activity at Waterstones with Emily, and it was a little bit disappointing. So we just had some colouring and a few bits and pieces to do on a table, so it wasn't that exciting. And then afterwards we just went to the supermarket again, not hugely exciting. We did go and see the yarn bombing, which was really good, and it's where lots of people have knitted things on a certain theme, and it was all Harry Potter theme, and that was good. We all really enjoyed that. That was fun. And then I went out last night with some friends and had rather a lot to drink, and I had really good intentions of doing a load of things last night and getting food out ready so that I could prep today, and didn't remember to do that because obviously I'd had a few drinks. So I'm just, the microwave's going because I'm defrosting a chicken. I wouldn't normally, but I would have normally defrosted it properly in the fridge, but so it just didn't happen. So I'm going to cook a chicken today, and I've made a really long list of things that I need to do. And I have done sort of list making before, and I've split it into categories of things that I want to get done. So I'm just going to go through, I wrote this list sort of early this morning. I'm going to go through and try and work out, put it into categories, and then just gradually work my way through it. So I'm doing lots of prepping today and getting ourselves ready for school. Emily's got a friend coming to play. Ollie's going to see a friend for a play. So the children are going to be occupied, so it's okay if I sort of get on with quite a lot of things that I need to do. So I know that already I've just hung out the washing, so I am going to take that one off. I'm going to say I've defrosted the chicken because it is nearly done. And so I want to do some baking today, I want to do some cooking, cleaning as usual, always got cleaning to do. But I'm trying to sell a few things as well on eBay and on Facebook, just things that I've stored and that I've been meaning to sell for ages. So I'm going to try and get on with some of that today. I want to make a bunch of freezer sandwiches for school next week, so I can literally just pull things out of the freezer, go straight into the lunchbox and just have things as easy as possible. So I've got all that to do. Yeah, come along, it's going to be a really busy day. Luckily I haven't got too bad a hangover, just feel a little bit weary, but I shall have some water and I'm going to get on with it and get on with my writing today. That's Emily. It's really good actually. She's put together this Playmobil town, so she's got all her Playmobil out and then made a little town, and now she's making an animation. So she's using the Lego, I can't remember what it's called, I think it's Lego Movie Animation app, and it's really good because I know it's a screen, but she's making something, she's doing the voices and all of that. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of footage when she doesn't realise it, because it's adorable. She's doing this little town today in this story. Go on then, press play.
This is my Playmobil town. My name is Daisy, and this is the story of Playmobil. Hi, welcome to Playmobil town. This is my mum Lisa. Hi. This is my brother Theo. Hi. And my dad Charles. Hi. water's cold. It really is. It's gone slide. Come on, Theo.
Well done, Emily. That's really, really good. Trying to find some sound effects.
The sound we've put "wee" before.
I decided to make some flapjacks today to keep in the cupboard. My family loves having flapjacks as a treat. So the recipe is very, very simple. It's 6 ounces of butter mixed with 4 ounces of sugar and 6 tablespoons of golden syrup. I just heat that in the microwave, mix it up, and then add 12 ounces of oats, porridge oats, and then I bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Right, now I am going to work out my menu plan. I've done quite a lot of things on my list, not doing too badly. So I ironed Emily's curtains, I hung them, I did my eBay labels, I've got some selling to do, hung out the washing, I've made 2 lots of flapjacks, I've cooked the chicken, Brian's done the hoovering upstairs, so that's brilliant. Made some freezer sandwiches. They're really, really simple. All I do is I buy snack rolls. They were from Astor, I think, and you get 8 in a packet, and all I do is cut them in half. I put cream cheese and grated cheese in them, wrap them up separately in cling film and put them in the freezer, and they are fine for packed lunches. So Emily, I will mix it up with different things. I've got some wraps and things I'm going to do for her as well, but if I can just grab one of those and put them in her lunchbox, that's really going to save me time. I mended the hook on the back of the bathroom door, hoovered the hallway. I haven't hoovered the kitchen yet, I will, but I was making a mess. And what I thought I'd do now is my menu plan. So you've probably seen it before, and I've done a video on this before, my menu planning. So what I tend to do is I'll just use a piece of paper first. I'll plan out what the week looks like, what we're doing, what the kids have got on, and then have a look in the freezer, see what meals I've got and what I can make up. And then I am going to do my menu plan, and I put it onto my menu plan board, which goes on my command centre in the kitchen, and I have made a video about that as well, so I will link that down below. Right, so I think I'm going to end the vlog. I got tons of stuff done on my list. I've still got quite a few things to do, but a lot of them I can do sort of this evening in between other tasks and bits and pieces that I can do on the computer later. I think what I'm going to do is make a big cup of tea. I'm going to do a little bit of editing and just chill for a while. Emily's at a friend's house, so I haven't got to go and get her for about another 3/4 of an hour, so I'm just going to chill for a few minutes. I've got lots done, but you know, there's still loads left to do, but I think what I'm going to do is just try and break it down into smaller tasks during the week. I also want to get my nails off and redo my nails tonight. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!